So the Feinstein is a preeminent research institute focused on disease research. And one of our major strengths is in neuroscience and brain disorders. And Dr. Davies is a key part of our faculty in that area. Dr. Davies has recently been awarded the Potamkin Prize for his research on Alzheimer's disease.
I had received a phone call from Dr. John Morris, and I had assumed that John was going to ask me to speak at a meeting, or it turned out that John Morris was the chairman of the committee that decided to award me the Potamkin Prize, and he told me, and I was astonished. It's really very gratifying for me to receive a major award from the American Academy of Neurology. You know, I'm a PhD scientist, not an MD neurologist, and the American Academy of Neurology is the country's premier organization of academic neurologists, and they choose me.
Dr. Davies is getting this prize for his whole body of work that he's done over his career that has really advanced our understanding of this disease. And he'll be giving a keynote address to over 10,000 people at the next meeting of the AAN.
My views on Alzheimer's in general are somewhat controversial, and so I thought I would have some fun and present a little bit of a controversial lecture at the American Academy, and I know people will expect it from me, and I don't want to disappoint them. My lab right now is really heavily focused on development of treatments for the disease, and we have a couple of novel strategies that we're pursuing, and I must say also some very good collaborations with Merck and with Eli Lilly to move these ideas forward. So you know, I'm optimistic that we'll see some interesting new therapies over the next few years. That's what we're trying to do.